Now you have your pictures and all your documents you need. We need to submit the deal. This menu bar will change here momentarily. First, we need to start getting all the information transferred over into the CRM so that we can change the deal stage and move them into a customer status rather than an opportunity. So we got to get the loan product in there. This is the APR or cash, whatever you sold the customer is going to go in loan product and finance company. If it's a cash deal, it's going to go cash in both sections. You get the system size, always in kilowatts, so it's 8 or 8.4 or 10. You're not going to put the thousands. Now we're going to select the date that we sold it. That's the date the signatures were on the paper. And then the utility company, get that utility count number transferred over. And then you're going to get the meter number transferred over as well. We have to select the number of roof stories that it is, 1, 2, 3, or 4. In this case, it's a 2-story. Get the HOA name. This is why we do this while we're in home with the customers. It'll remind us to grab information that we may often forget. If they don't have an HOA, you put it as not available. If they have an HOA, you get the HOA name, phone number, and email, or whatever information you can get at the time so that we can make sure that the rest of the information is gathered. We can start communicating with that HOA so the deal isn't held up at all. So make sure you're getting that information in there. Once that's in there, if there's no referral, that's not required. We need to get the adder section filled out. Select the adders that were chosen during the process. There's going to be the standard ones that are always in every single deal. You check mark those. And then any additional that you guys agreed to inside the house. If we didn't charge for them and it's something that you're covering or a manager threw in as an incentive, that needs to go in this section so that the manager can go back and approve it. Otherwise, it will not be approved the way that you told the customer it would. We need to have notes that there was an approval. Now we can change the deal stage. We go directly to sold. Not accepted, it goes under sold. It's going to fire off an email to that homeowner letting them know that they are part of the team and we're going to be working on their project and give them access to their user portal, all of it. Now that menu bar changed. So we need to go into details and we need to make sure that the contract price is entered in there so accounting has that information quickly. The adders, make sure that everything that is supposed to be in there is in there. And then notes. Taking good notes will help site surveyors, project managers, and your managers help you through the installation process. Whatever happened during the sale, you can remind yourself of things that happened. If there's a promo that was given out, you need to notate that and maybe even tag your manager so they can go back in and approve it. These things are very, very important details that are going to help everybody through the installation process. Tagging somebody will alert them that you made a note and it's directed towards them. So if it's for projects, you tag projects. If it's for your manager to go back and approve something, tag your manager so that they can go back in there and get those verifications or approvals or whatever needs to be done. You can save and stay and then move on to the task list for final submittal.